Hi there, hi everyone, welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Monday, November the 21st, 2022. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars Sudoku, the 3 stars Sudoku, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics. One with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Sugu. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. Yes. And these puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Otherwise, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yes, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first I will start is a Sudoku with 3 stars. And this will be number 5514. Yes, 5514. Alright. 5514. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 3 2s. 2 3s. 1 2 3 4 4s. All right. 1 2 3 4 5s. 2 6s. 3 7s. 3 8s. And 1 9. So the 4s and the 5s are a majority. Can I start with the 5? Let me see. 5 in this column. 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see here 5 in the third column, no 5 there. Here 5 in the second column, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see here 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here 5 in that row, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. All right. Okay. How about? I'm scanning. Cannot use the 4. I need more information. How about 8 7 in this column, third column, 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 2 2. Yeah. 1 1. 1 1 2 3 4 8 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 1, 8, 9. 189, 189, 189. And look, we have 1 and an 8 in the third row, so no 1 and an 8 in this box. The 1 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number and 9. Then 7. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 2, 7, 9. 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9. And look, we have a 7 and a 9 in this row. Middle row, so no 7 and 9 in this box. The 7 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. So 1 digit left in this column for number 2. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the last row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2, 2. 2, 2, okay. Now, let me see, 7. Come on, 4, 4. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 in these two boxes. Here 1 in this row, so no 1 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be here. 1, 1. Alright. 8, 8. Yeah, I'm thinking. 4, 4. Oh, yeah. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these two boxes. We have a 4 in the second row, so no 4 in that box. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those two boxes in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here 4 in that row, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be here. Alright. Mm-hmm. 4, 4. Then 4 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7. 7, 7. Alright. Eight. 2, 4, 7. With the 9 here. We have a pair again. Yeah. We have a 9 and a 7 in this column. We have a 9 and a 7 in the last column. So the column between, the only 3 places left for the 9 and 7 goes in these 3 boxes. 9 and 7, 9 and 7, 9 and 7. And look, we have a 9 and 7 in the middle row. So no 9 and 7 in this box. The 9 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 7, 9 and the 7. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this last column. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. 6, 6. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the second column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. And we have a pair, the 8 in one of those 2 boxes, and the 6. We have a 6 and an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. And we have an 8 and a 6 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 8 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 6, 8 and a 6. So 1 digit left in this row, the middle row. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3, 3, okay. 182. 182. 182. All right, come on. 999. Okay. Then 1. Yeah. Here can be 1. Could be 1. We have a 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle row. No 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and 8. 2 and an 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the middle column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. Then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. Well, we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 9 and a 7. Well, we have a 7 now in this row. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 9 goes there. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5. The 6 and the 7. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes at there. 6, 4, 2, 6, 4, 2, 2. Alright, 1 number left in the last column for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. We have 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle column. No, an 8 in the second column. So no 8 there, 8 should be there. 2 and 8, well, we have an 8 in the first column. So no 8 there, 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. we have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. Now we have a 4 here in the third row, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4, okay. 1 box left in the second row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 8 and the 6. 8 and the 6. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have an 8 in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number the 1, the 2 is missing. Alright, so we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row B3, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the third column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. No, 5. We have a 5 here. 5 and a 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 and a 3. 6 and a 9. We have here in this big square. We have a 6 in the third column. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 9 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 6 and the 3, we have a 3 now in the last row, so no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 and the 7, we have a 6 now in the last row, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and a 9, we have a 7 now in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.